Hi everyone, welcome to day 2 of one-step equations. So today you are going to be practicing one-step equations. I'm going to help you out with going through a few of the problems on your practice Google Slides. So let's go ahead and get started. So when we're solving these one-step equations or any type of equation, you always have to remember inverses. Inverse is the key to solving all of these problems. So the inverse of adding is subtracting, the inverse of subtracting is adding, the inverse of multiplication is division, and the inverse, I wrote multiplication again, let's try that again, division, and the inverse of division is multiplication. So what this means is, for example, a great way to think of this is if I started with x equals 5, and then I wanted to add x plus 23. So if I made x plus 23, this is no longer 5 over here. It's going to be 28 to keep things balanced. So to solve this, if I was solving it, I would subtract 23 because it's the inverse. I'm undoing what I did to get to that 28, and then we're back to x equals 5. So that's why I continue to say we're always doing the opposite in this. Okay, let's take a look at your activity for this week, for today. Okay, so on this slide, what you are going to do is you're going to solve each of the one-step equations. They're just adding and subtracting one-step equations. You're going to move the yellow piece to the correct thing. So the best way to do this is to solve them on a sheet of paper. So if I think about solving this, I think, okay, if I have x minus 11, to do the inverse of subtracting would be to add 11 to both sides. And these will cancel because negative 11 and a positive 11 makes 0. So to leave x by itself, I would just do 29 plus 11, which would tell you that x is 40. Okay, so I would do that for each of these when you are solving. Okay, on this slide, this is looking at multiplication and division problems this time. So you are looking for the cards that have the same solution for x. So let's do... we'll do 3x equals 12. So card A. So if I was solving this, once again, I would think 3x means 3 times the number. So if it's multiplying, to do the inverse would be to divide by 3. So x would be left by itself, 12 divided by 3. That tells me that x is 4. So what you might do is you may be able to look over here and think, okay, where else could I plug in? I know 16 times 4 is not 32. 3 times 4 is not 150. 72 divided by 9 would not equal 4. 4 divided by 5 is not 6 4/10. So 11 times 4, so this would be J. So that would be how you could solve these problems. So each card should have a match. One from the turquoise matches one from the green. Okay, on the next slide, you are dragging each equation to the correct solution. So you are going to solve each equation, determine which solution it matches. And that's it for this slide. Okay, on the last slide for your activity, you are determining who is correct, or who made a mistake. Sorry, let me reverse that. Who made the mistake? Tell me what their mistake was, and then what should be the correct solution. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. I will talk to you later. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.